Now let's solve for m and n here. So we have two conditions here. M is more than 0, and anything more than 0 is positive. Likewise, the n. Okay. Now, what is the LCM here? The LCM here is m and n. Now, let's multiply 2 by the LCM. That will be mn times 2 on m plus mn times 3 on n equals mn times 4. All right. Now, from here, m will cancel m, n also cancel n. So I will leave with 2n here, 2n plus, so this side also with 3m, and we have 4mn. Okay, so 4mn. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is very simple. I would like to send this one to this side. Okay, so that will be 4mn minus 3m minus 2n equals 0. Now let me take 4m out here. Yes, I want to take 4m out. Now if I do that, this side will be 4m. So I have n here. Why am I taking 4m? Because we have a single term here which will be supported later. So it will be supported later on. So if this side is left with n, this side is also n, it will match. So I have decided to take 4m out, then adjust this side. So that will be minus. So instead of this, I'll make it 3 over 4, because 3 over 4 times 4m. Now this side will cancel, which will be left with 3m. So that will be 3 over 4 minus 2m equals to 0. Okay, so everything is set. Okay, so we have the first bracket. Now the only problem here is this side, but this is what we are going to do. We are going back to the question. You multiply 2 by 3 and divide by this. So 2, 3, 6 on 4. Okay, so 2, 3, 6 on 4. Now we have 4m n minus 3 on 4 minus 2n. I'll add this one to both sides. That will be plus 6 on 4, 6 on 4. Okay. All right, so the next step here is to create a bracket here, okay, which will match with this. So we have 4m n minus 3 on 4. So if I take minus 2, so minus 2, I will let n minus, so this side will be left with 3. Okay, 3 on 4 equals to 6 on 4. Now in going back, this time that minus 2n minus minus plus, this time that will be 6 on 4. So we have this and that being equal. So my next step will be n minus 3 on 4. That's the first bracket. And the second one will be their coefficients, 4m minus 2. Okay, so now that this side has been achieved, we can proceed. Okay, so we have 6 on 4. Okay, so if I multiply this side by 4, that will be 4n. So times 4 cancel, minus 3. We have 4m minus 2 equals to 6. So remember, 6 can be written as 3 times 2, 2 times 3, and 6 times 1, and 1 times 6. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 cases. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. So case 1, so this side and this side. So the first one equals this, the second one equals that. So 4m minus 3 equals 3. Then we have 4m minus 2 equals 2. All right. So 4m minus 3 equals 3, and then 4m minus 2 equals 2. Oh, sorry, and not so the first one, 4n, this side will come here. That will be 4n equals to 6. Therefore, n is 6 on 4, which is 3 on 2. And also 4m, so this side will 4m equals to 4. So my m equals to 1. So we are done with the first case. Now let's interchange them, then see. So this time, this one will bear this, and this one also bear that. So case 2, 4n minus 3 equals to 2, then 4m minus 2 equals to 3. So the first one will be 4n equals 5. So that will be n equals to 5 on 4. And this side coming here will be 5. So my m equals 5. M is the same as 5 on 4. Okay, so we are done with this. Left with the 6 times 1 and then 1 times 6. Okay, so let's see how we can deal with them. Okay, so 4n minus 3 equals 6. This one, 4n minus 3 equals 6. Then 4m minus 2 equals 1. Or 4n minus 3 equals 1. Or 4m minus 2 equals 6. So let's solve each side. So 4n minus, so 3 here, 9. So my 4m equals 9. My m will be 9 on 4. And 4m equals to 3. My m will be 3 on 4. And this side, 4n, this side here equals to 4. And it's 1. And this side here, 8. So my m, so 8 on 4 will be 2. 4 to 8. Okay, so 1, 2. That's that. All right. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Sorry.